Hello there and welcome back to another video from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. And today what I've got for you is a juggling tutorial. So you'll need some juggling balls. Now if you haven't got any juggling balls, you could use 3 tennis balls, you could use 3 pairs of socks, you could even use 3 oranges out the orange bowl. But if you do that, don't tell your parents because you'll probably get me into trouble. And I'm going to show you how to do the reverse cascade, and this is what it looks like. So that's the reverse cascade, and I'm going to refer back to the cascade because that's usually the first juggling pattern that most people learn when they start to juggle or start their juggling journey. And I'm just going to show you what the cascade looks like. And if you can't juggle 3 balls and you can't do the cascade, don't worry, there'll be a link above my head. Click on that and that'll tell you everything that you need to know how to juggle 3 balls or how to start with the cascade. Now you'll notice with the cascade is that all the throws are on the inside and the catches are on the outside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to widen this pattern quite a lot so you can see that. You can see that I'm catching and I'm throwing on the inside. So I'm constantly doing this with my hands. Now if you play back a 3-ball cascade or somebody doing a 3-ball cascade, what you get is the reverse cascade. And you'll notice with the reverse cascade is that all the throws are on the outside and all the catches are on the inside, close to sort of my waistline stomach. So I'm moving the arms in the opposite direction, kind of like that. And the throw that you're doing, we call this the over-the-top throw. It's a throw that you use in things like tennis and other juggling patterns. And you'll probably find when you can do the 3-ball cascade, you'll probably be able to pick up the reverse cascade quite quickly. So the key things to remember is that you do the throws on the outside and you're doing the catching on the inside. And that's all there is to it really. So grab your 3 juggling balls, get started, get practicing, and you'll find probably pretty quickly that you will pick up how to do the 3-ball reverse cascade. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've got any idea, if you'd like me to do a particular tutorial for a juggling tutorial, leave a comment on the bottom and I'll certainly probably do a video on that sometime in the future. But if you give me some ideas, that is lovely. If you've got an idea for something and you think it'd make a really cool tutorial, tell me about it and I'll see what I can do. But thanks for watching, and until next time, this is goodbye from Martin's Circus Skills Workshops. Bye-bye.